Welcome to Alchemy Parts, the motorbike accessory specialist. If you're looking to replace your mirrors but are working to a budget, our variety of mirrors will give you the look you're after. We sell both top mount and side mount mirrors in a variety of colours, being black, chrome and carbon fibre effect. We also sell them in a variety of shapes and sizes. Our most popular mirrors are side mount, which are designed to fit 22mm hollow handlebars. We even sell billet aluminium blanking plugs for the holes left by removing your original top mounted mirrors. Thanks for watching.